I mean, this kid has the ball. I mean, what's up, all? Like, I mean, this is what's going on right now. How the kid has it. Check, you hear the beat? Like, it's like, you see I roll with a click of fools, you niggas need a physical. I need my guns like cops do, I'm holding on my pistol too. Hit you in your temple too, my enemies be ending you. I tell you bitch, I'm like a bullet, I'm trying to get into you. Whole world spinning you, so that's what I'm finna do. Ride with some Looney Tunes that wouldn't sing you. I'm just trying to get your chick so I can take her panties off. I ask her what she wants, sit on my lap, they call me Santa Claus. I'm about to damage y'all, beating up the game, fuck a fist fight. I take her back, beating up your brain. I've been heating up the things that's irrelevant to rap with more clips than a little bit. I elevate the gap. If I elevate the strap, then I'ma hit you with the clip. All you hearing is my strap. I'm on some booty tank shit. Little nigga, eat a dick. Stop hating on the ball. We can hit you with the clip and grip the 8 up on the ball. That's what's going on right now, dog. If you look at the bottom of your screen, you see that spill of grape drink right there. I mean, that's what we drinking, and this is the planes, dog. This is the green planes, cause you know the people. Shout out to my people that do them purple planes, them green planes, all that, the blue and all that. Yeah, like that's my man Dre that you hearing in the background. This is what's going on. This is the school of hard knocks. Just cause we in school don't mean we can't, you know what I mean, do what we do and get this buzz up. You know what I mean? So yeah, holla at your boy, man. Making it.